Friends, hope you are doing well. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can make a furniture refurbished website on WordPress. Even if you don't have much technical knowledge and you are doing this business refurbished furniture like selling and buying and selling office furnitures like tables, workstations, chairs, everything, then this video is going to be very helpful. You can make your business website very easily by watching this tutorial. So let's get started. Hi, this is Prasanjit from Leadfits, and before making this website I'll give you a small tour how this website looks so that you can understand exactly what kind of website you are going to make, right? So let's have a tour. So this is our home page. You can see we have our hero section with two buttons: sell furniture, view products, then office workstations, office chairs, then work from home essentials, then our one banner with special offers, then office tables, office chairs, office cabinets, then chairs, our testimonials, okay, furniture and decor, and with FAQ, that is frequently asked questions, and we have our one more banner, then why choose us section and footer, right? Then all product sections: workstation, office chairs, glass works, okay, work from home essentials, etc. Then about, contact, gallery, search, then social icons, right? For social icons: WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, and call button. Now this is our about us page. You can see, okay, how beautiful it is. Our mission, vision, our departments, then counters, okay, then we have our client portfolio, contact us button, then our contact us page. You can see with Google page address, okay, Google map, everything. Then gallery, we have all images ready, okay, in the gallery sections, okay, our recent work images. So this is what the website we are going to make. Before making any website hosting and domain is very essential. It is mandatory. You should have hosting and domain, okay. No need to purchase two from separate places. Bluehost is the best options from where you will get domain free with hosting, okay. And Bluehost have different kinds of categories like WordPress hosting, dedicated, VPS server, domain, then website design guide services also they are giving, business email, okay. But what you need to do, you need to purchase their WordPress basic hosting for this one website. If you are planning to have multiple websites, more than one, then you can purchase their choice or choice plus plan, okay. But if you are planning for one website, then basic plan, which is 179 per month, it is more than enough. You can have it, okay. You can see they have all these options available. So basically you will get everything in this plan, like SSL, then website or SEO package, then 50 GB storage, SSD, unlimited bandwidth, 100 plus WordPress themes also, right? So once it is done, your hosting purchased, your domain is connected, then you need to install WordPress. Once WordPress is installed, this is the dashboard, okay. So first you can keep your dashboard clean by unchecking all these boxes, okay. You can see now it is clean, okay, neat and tidy. Now post in this hello world post is there, you make it trash, okay. So we no need, okay. Then pages also, there will be two pages by default: privacy, sample page, we can make it trash or two, okay. Both of them you can trash it, and after that you can delete it permanently, okay. Then appearance, so in this appearance and there is theme option, okay. So basically we need to install and activate on theme. This is by default 2020 theme. We'll use different themes, so add new, then you can search with our theme which we need, okay. You can see there are lots of free themes available, but Cadence theme actually we will use to make this website, right? So basically theme is something which helps us to make this website, okay, with different elements, different structure, okay. So just you can see how it looks. Everything is blank because you can see this is how our page looks like, right, with only search bar and nothing else, and we'll make it, okay, step by step. So now plugins are basically kind of apps or software, you can say, to make this website, okay, to design the page, to have all the functions, okay. So we'll install the plugins. First is Elementor. So Elementor is a very popular page builder like Divi or WP Bakery, okay. So it is like free of cost, and if you have the paid version, it is always I recommend ki if you are making many websites, then you should have the, you know, Elementor Pro version, okay. Even if you are using like single business website, still you should have, but for this website it is not required. Free version is more than enough. So this is under settings, okay. We can give our site title, okay, like your website name you can put it, okay. Like for us it is office makeover, so we are giving office makeover. Tagline you can mention whatever you want, right. Like you can mention ki for best refurbished furniture or best official furniture, okay, or best office furniture, like that you can mention. Then permanent you select as post name, okay. So by default it will be plain, but you need to change it to post name, then save changes. These are few basic settings you need to do. Then again you come to page, then add new, okay. Like pages, our pages are home page, contact, about us, okay. Then terms and conditions, privacy policies. Then we have our product pages like workstations, chairs, sofas, right, wall decorations, right. So all these things will come, right. So these are the pages we need to create. So simply by putting the page name and save it, okay, it's more than enough. So our page will be created. You can see it is now live, okay. So you can see this is our home page with sell furniture, view products button and text, okay. So you also need to keep all these things ready, okay, before designing, like text, media files, images, video, okay, if you want to embed. Now we'll click edit with Elementor. So our home page, okay, will be in editing mode, okay. So you can see this is Elementor dashboard, left hand side, and many tools are available. So we'll click on plus button and single column, okay. So we have one section, that is you can see once we click the 6 dots, this is layout, okay, content, okay, it is boxed or full width, okay. Then width also we can increase or reduce. Then column gaps, no gap, okay. Then height, it is minimum height, okay, definitely you can increase or reduce. So it is 800, okay, the minimum height. Then style, we have background type, okay. So from here we will choose the image. So I already told ki the images are there in our folder, okay. So you also need to keep the images ready, and don't worry, if you want the same to same design, then you can download our template, and the links, all the links will be there in the descriptions below, okay. You can check it, you will have the same design, right. So once you select the image, position will be center to center, then attachment, it is fixed, okay. And repeat, no repeat. Then size is cover. So you can see earlier it was so many images, now only one image is showing. So this is the cover image, okay. Now what we will do, we will put some text, okay, and we will make this image blur, okay. So yeah, so in this background opacity, from this we will reduce the opacity, okay, means we will make it blur, okay. So yeah, so just you need to drag it to the right side, okay, then it will be the opacity 0.75. okay, 0.75 is the opacity. Now you need to click on 9 dot, okay, inner section, then text. What I will do, we will put this text, okay. So don't copy and paste, okay, from any website. You write your own text, okay, in a notepad, okay. So now this is our text. Then HTML tag will be h1 tag, because this is our hero section first text, so h1. Then color we'll use white, okay. And font family, it is newsletter, okay. So white, black, whatever color you want you can put it, okay, or any other color. Then size is 60, 66, you can yeah, then 66. Weight is 500, okay, that is font weight, okay. How much bold you want, this is called weight. Then line height, we need a bit height, so we have selected line height 55, and then letter spacing 1.5, right. So this is how it looks now, okay, you can see. And so the text and all you can edit, obviously. So txt means, if you want like bracket txt, so this is a code. If you want, okay, that is bracket, okay. So bracket br slash, okay, bracket close. So this code will make you line separate, okay. And then size 60, the font size we have selected, it is 60. So all these options will come under styling, okay, font styling. And blur, you can make it blur, okay. So we are trying to, yeah, so it is 100, okay, we have select blur 100. Now we have one more line just down to it, right. So that line also we will put using inner section, okay. Always to take a new section or element, you click on 9 dots. So this is our next line. We also buy old furniture at the best prices, call now to sell, right, okay. Maybe you will have your customers. There are many customers who want to sell their old furnitures, right, because they may no longer use their furnitures from like home furniture, office furniture, and they want to sell it out. Then they can contact you, right. So this information should be there, okay, in your website, so they can understand, okay, so this website is not only for like buying things, okay, we can also sell, okay, our own furniture stuff, right. So this is how, okay. So you can see like margin we are putting, okay. So in this top, first you delink, then top minus 39 to 40 you can put, okay. So it will move up. Then typography will be, size will be 20, okay, typography size, okay. So please see the screen, okay, and you do this, okay. So you can see how beautiful it looks, okay. So again 9 dot, okay. Yes, then two buttons will put, right. One is sell furniture, and then view products, okay. View products means they can view your product, okay. And if you want, you can sell also, okay, your product from this website, okay, using WooCommerce, okay. So it will be a completely e-commerce functionality, okay, in your website. But in this website we will not show you how to set WooCommerce. Definitely we'll make a separate video. So now we are just going to position it using navigator. Sometimes what will happen, you will face some issues, okay, positioning the inner section, okay. So then you can use this navigator part, okay. So this is the button. Now just from 9 dot you can select button, and you simply drag and drop, okay. Now you can change the text, sell furniture, okay. So you can see this is sell furniture button we are going to make it, and linking and all we will do it later because our website is not yet ready. Then right aligned, okay, we will make it right aligned, and column gaps, no gap, okay, column width, okay, small, the size will be medium size, okay. So content, there are three tabs actually: content, style and advanced, okay. So all this texting part, whatever you will put, it will come in content. So now we are making it black, right? So there will be two colors, black, okay, and yeah, so this color transparency also we have minimized it, so you can see the button is transparent now, fully transparent, and it looks very nice, okay. The border is, outer border is also looks good, okay. Now it is showing. Now border color, okay, you can use border color whatever you want, okay. So now what we have given the background, okay, background color actually it is black for hover, okay. If anyone hover, then the color actually will be black, okay, during the mouse hover. Now Montega is the font we have selected, okay. So you don't use any kind of font, okay, any random font or any random color. So before using, always test it, okay, always try it out ki how it looks, okay, then only you use it, okay. There are many fonts and colors available, so simply we'll duplicate it. So in Elementor what will happen, no need to make again and again the same things, you can simply duplicate it. So now what we'll do, we'll just reverse it, okay, once the button is duplicated, because we need to make another view products button, right? So in that case what we will do, we'll just like for hover we will use, okay, white mouse over, and for normal, okay, position, it will be in black, okay. So it will be just opposite, so it will really look good, okay. So now you can see the color, background color, will put it as white, okay, and it will be transparent again, and color combinations, just see the screen. Border type will be none, okay. Earlier it was solid, okay, now we are using, again it is solid only, okay. Color, it is black, okay. That is, yes. So border color, you can see how beautiful it looks, nice, right? Then hover. So in this hover there are many options like text color, background type, okay, color, okay, mouse hover, okay. So all these options will come under style, okay. Then we'll have border radius, padding, everything, okay. So that color we will select it as black, okay, and text color will be white, so that it will be visible, right? Okay. So to create the next part, what you need to do, you need to click on this plus symbol, okay. This is our next part, shop our 2021 collection, then office workstation. So plus symbol, take single section, single structure, then you take text heading, okay, that is heading, okay. Then our text will be shop our 2021 collection, you can put like 2022 collection, okay, because the new year is approaching. Then content, okay, the content color will be black. So actually the black color is 0, actually 5 times 0 has 0 0 0 0 0, okay. The Montserrat, okay. So we are using basically Montserrat font, newsletter font, okay. Size will be 15, okay. Letter spacing will be 1.5, okay. You can adjust the size. Now it is 16, it looks good actually, okay. Now we'll use another heading actually under this, okay, which is office workstations, okay, and it will be bolder actually, okay, then the previous one, shopper 2021 collection, okay. So office workstation, what we'll do, we'll put color as black, then the font family will be newsletter, okay. It looks really awesome. Now the weight 600, letter spacing 1, okay, and you can see key from style, text shadow will not use text shadow, okay. Then advanced, from advanced the margin actually first delink then minus, because we need to move it upward, okay. So -10 is fine, only top -10, okay, and remaining 0. Then update, so always update your page, okay, otherwise you will lose your work, okay. Whatever the design you do, it will lose, so please update time to time, okay. So this is how now you can see, okay, this is how it looks. Earlier it was blank, but now once we update it, it is showing, okay. Now what you need to do, okay, so you plugins, okay. So this page is not like the home page, okay, but I'll tell you, okay. So now we are using the plugins, okay. In this we will simply type WooCommerce. So earlier I told ki this website is not, okay, like WooCommerce functions are there, but we are not selling the furniture, because this, apart from the selling functions, all functions are there in this website, but as the WooCommerce plugin is there, just within few clicks we can set up these also. So you can sell furniture directly to the customer can pay you in UPI like Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, and debit card functions also we can enable using Stripe, okay. So this is how it looks, okay. Now this is to activate this plugin, this is a basic setups you need to do, okay, because plugin is already activated. The thing is the setup should be there, right? So address, you put your address, line 1, line 2, then country, okay, India, Sri Lanka, whatever it is, then you give your email ID, okay, then yes or no. So build a better WooCommerce, you can click either yes or no, okay. So this time we have used no. Then this is our furniture, so home, furniture and garden, this category, okay. Now once industry is selected, product type, okay. So physical products, download is not there, it will be definitely physical products, okay. So it will be completely free of cost, okay, no monthly fees are there. Then business details, like how many products we want to display, maybe 100, 200,000, okay. So based on that you can put, okay. Then theme, so theme we already selected, it is cadence theme, okay. Continue with my active theme, okay, because we already selected earlier, okay. So this much. Now you can see we have more options over here. Once WooCommerce is activated, you can see in left hand side, right? So now pages, so under this page what you need to do, we need to create more pages, okay. Cart, checkout, my account, refund and return policy. So already automatically all these pages, okay, have been added. Earlier it was not there, only home page we created, right? So you can see just with WooCommerce we are getting these pages, these necessary and mandatory pages by default automatically, okay. So products, from here we can add our products, okay. All products, add new categories, tags, attributes, okay. I'll tell you how to use it, okay. So in these products, like we need to create product, or we can import also, okay. So now from these actually you need to click products, add new, okay. Then product name, paragraph, that is descriptions, then few specifications under general like the prices and all, okay, inventory, shipping, okay, how you want to do the shipping, okay, then all these things. Then you need to click on publish, okay, and category you do tag also, okay, and feature image, okay, because it will be showing, it will display actually the image, okay, you want, it will display. Now high quality workstation, okay, this is our text, okay, this is our text, high quality workstation. So first product we are going to add, okay, you can see it, okay. So in this paragraph you write your own descriptions, unique descriptions, don't copy and paste from other websites. Selling price is 15, okay, that is regular price, okay, and sale price, because if you want to make some strike, okay, like earlier this price was 20, now we have 15, okay, based on, like I am giving some example, okay. So that 20, 20 rupees, okay, or $20, whatever it is, it will be like inner line will be there, so it will be strike, okay, strike out means now it is 15, okay, earlier it was 20, okay. So I'll show you in rupees only, okay. So you need to change the currency, okay. I'll show you how you can do that, but this is how the products, okay. So you need to select the image, so this is the image actually we are going to use it, okay. So you can see in this feature image, okay, this is the main image actually, but we can use multiple images, okay, but this image will be showing as primary image, the main image, okay. So again you can see this product, earlier it was blank, right? So high quality workstation, it is in stock, the price is 15, then category workstation, tag is also workstation, and publish. So all are the details are showing over here, okay, and you can edit these details at any time, okay, after logging to your WordPress. Now again we will create few more products, that is chair, okay, under chair we are using F03 platinum ergonomic high black executive chair, okay, regular price it is 25, okay. So you can use only regular price, okay. Then short product descriptions, long product descriptions, okay. So if you write yeah, like if you see like this short product description will come in the top in the beginning, and long product will be at the bottom, okay, after these images. So category will be chairs, okay, add category, okay. Tag also you can use as same chairs or office chairs, whatever you want. Even the model number also you can use. So multiple categories and multiple tags can be used for one single product, one single page, okay, one single post, okay. So you can see now it is showing chair, so you check it, okay, you can check it, and then for tags also you can use, I told you, no, and you press enter, comma, okay, enter, okay, then it will be added, okay, and click add button, obviously, okay. You can see we are using multiple tags, two tags we have used. So now feature image we will use one very nice image, okay. So this is the image actually we are uploading from our system. So this is the image actually, chair, okay, executive chair, right, or and the ergonomics chair, okay. And always put all tags, image all tags, because it will help you in the SEO, okay. So this is what actually our image looks like, okay. Stock will be in stock, you can put always, if the stock is not in, okay, place, then you can choose out of stock, okay. Then shipping, okay, linked products, okay, you can use link product details and attributes, okay. Actually all these kind of options are there, and very important on that options, attribute options, I'll tell you, okay, how to use it. Basically if you have variable products, based on the like weights and height. Okay, you can see now this product is added. Then stock, this one out of stock we have selected now, so it is showing out of stock in red. Okay, now we'll open our website, okay, in new tab. So this is how our home page is. Okay, it is blank, right, completely blank. So once we click home, okay, it will come, right. So now under settings, what we need to do, I told no this under settings, then reading, okay, a static page, because we will make our home page as home. Okay, a drop down you select home, so no need to put your domain name / home. Okay, so just your domain name is enough and it will be redirected to our website. So we will not put home. Okay, so only domain name. Yes, you can see I deleted home. Now only .til.com or .in, whatever. Okay, you can see now it is home page. Okay, so again from settings you need to go to reading. Okay, so you can see these two products added, right. So add to cart, read more. Okay, so we have selected earlier, so it is showing two products. Okay, so now what we'll do, under this office workstation, okay, we will put short code. Okay, so this is the short code we will use. Okay, product. So for high quality workstation, this is our short code, and we will simply put it over here. Okay, then apply. And it will be visible. Yeah, so you can see it is visible. Okay, then we have one more. Yes, now you can see in this home page it is showing, right, and obviously on shop page I already shown you on shop page also it is showing. Okay, then we have office chair. So simply we'll duplicate, okay, the same, and we will drag and drop, okay, over here, and we will name it as office chair. So how easy this tool is. Okay, office chairs. Okay, and what we will do, we will make it caps. Okay, so from this we will select short code. Okay, and in this again we have our short code ready. Okay, so that short code only we will use. Okay, category chairs. Okay, now you can see this chair is also showing. Okay, so we made it capital. Yeah, so as I told you, you always update it. Okay, so that the changes will be live, otherwise you will not be able to see the changes. Okay, so in this same way you put other office workstations and chairs. Okay, so 5 plus 5 it will be 10, plus work from essentials 5, so 15 actually products you can see. Okay, right now in the same way you generate short code, you put it, and it will be visible. Okay, so our next section is special offers. Okay, so any kind of offer you can showcase over here with nice image carousels, and I'll show you how you can do that. So first click on the plus symbol, then 9 dots, and you select image carousel. Okay, drag and drop. So now you need to select the images. Okay, what you want to showcase over here. So we have two images ready. Okay, first one, second one. Okay, so we selected both of them. It is uploading. You can see the two images are getting uploaded. Again you need to put the alt tag, okay, for on page SEO perspective, so that you get very high score, okay, or for on page SEO, because on page is something which is in our hand. Okay, we can do it. Okay, like for each page hardly it will take half an hour of time to get 85 to 90 score. Okay, so whatever, now the image size is full. Okay, because medium size thumbnail, small size will not work. Full size only we need to select. After that, slides, like how many slides you want to show. So one slide. Okay, then arrow and dots for the navigation purposes, and autoplay speed, like 5000 is the default one. You can reduce it, you can increase it. Okay, whatever you want. So this is for us, we have chosen the default 5000 only. Now we have next section, that is introducing. Okay, like any kind of product you can introduce over here. Okay, like the best product, right? It will make your website looks more attractive. So two sections you take, then you minimum height you select, column gaps will be default boxed. Okay, it will be boxed. Okay, then that content width will be boxed. So first, in the left side we will take heading. Okay, text heading. So this is our text introducing the. Okay, so this is our first text. So just you can put your own text, whatever you want. Now it will be h2, then color will be black. Okay, as I told you, 5 times 0. Then newsletter is the font family. Okay, then the width will be weight, font weight will be 500. Okay, font weight is 500. Then the size, font size 24. Okay, then transformation, font transformation. Okay, you can keep it as default. Weight actually 500, 600 is the best one, and font size is 22. Okay, letter space 1. Okay, now you search for icon. Okay, that is icon box. Okay, now you can see we get a very nice box in this title. What you can do, you can put your own text, but for us it is 2022 office seating collection. Okay, and then we will put a bigger line. Okay, so this content, this text you can write your own. Okay, like for us, we have written your home furniture office seating collection is backed by decades of ergonomic research, experimentations and analysis. Our coveted office chairs are designed for your comfort from 9 to 5 and beyond. Okay, basically these are the seating sections, office seating sections. So you change, you do this some kind of styling like typography, coloring, text size. See the screen and do it. Okay, so right now we are increasing the typography of title. Okay, now we are changing the description color. Okay, earlier it was gray, now it is pure black. Okay, the newsletter text we are using for the description and body part, as I told you. Okay, and for main title we are using Montserrat, right? Then size will be 18. Okay, so everywhere you keep the same size. Okay, in description part I'm saying same font family, like newsletter 18. Okay, like that. So this is our left section, okay, with text. It is ready. Okay, so now we will bring these images, this nice one center and 4 corners, one image. So total 5 images will bring here, right? So inner sections, actually we are taking inner sections, so 4 you can see, and we are duplicating one more. Okay, so now we will delete one, so you can see there are 5. Okay, 5 images. Okay, so what we will do, we will here we will bring images, 5 images, 5 different chairs images. You can bring sofa images, table images, so as you want. Okay, for us it is sitting chairs, because I told you we are showcasing our sitting collections. Okay, so we will select the images, okay, from library. So once, okay, let's do our the next part, that is work from home essentials. Okay, work from home essentials. The title, we have office tables. Okay, for office tables also same short code. Okay, it will work. So same way you bring office tables images. Okay, now we have the main, okay, feature chair section, actually. Okay, so you take 2 inner section and just duplicate it. Like earlier we have taken icon box, now the same way you duplicate it and you put it on the right side. So for the design perspective, left, right, okay, this alignment we should keep in mind. Like for image, if in the first section, upper section, image is in the right side, then next we will use in the left side. Okay, same way text, if it is in the left side, the next below will use in the right side, so it will look really good, okay, and beautiful. So this is so for this reason, actually we use the text on the right hand side. Now we are increasing the font size. Okay, you can see these are the font size. Okay, we increased the title. Okay, now in this left, okay, we will use our image. Okay, that is the image I shown you in the original website. Okay, so that image you will select, and now you can see. So you adjust the height, okay, from that advanced section. Okay, so that it is a large image size, you can see 1024 into 1024 pixel. Okay, so that it will, yeah, so that it looks good. Now the testimonial part, okay, like how many happy customers, what reviews they have given, and what their image, exact image. Okay, so that testimonial we'll use from our Google My Business. Same actually testimonial should be there, and we will not change anything. Okay, so the same to same. Okay, now you can see this is the heading. Okay, testimonial heading. Okay, so again we'll duplicate it and we'll paste the style. Okay, so now once the heading is done, we can copy and paste style at any time. So this is also one beautiful feature that Elementor has. Like you just simply copy paste, or you duplicate and drag and drop, right? So any one. Okay, now this is, we are using text, that is text editor. Okay, and here you can type the text what you want as per your own wish, and that text will be visible. And by default, you noticed by default the color will be gray color, font family will be Roboto. Okay, so everything we need to change. Okay, so here the family architecture design. Okay, that is happy customers. So this is one new font we are using here. Then letter spacing will be 1.5. okay, 1.5 letter spacing. And from advanced, we'll do the margin minus 30. Okay, top, from the top, so it will be upper. Okay, okay, so now we'll come to dashboard and then plugin. Okay, so what you can do, you can keep this dashboard in a separate tab. So from this plugin we will install one plugin called widget widget. Okay, of Google reviews. Google reviews, REVIEW. Okay, yes, so this is widget of Google reviews. Okay, we need to install and then activate. Okay, so what this plugin will do, it will give you the exact same reviews. Okay, so this is by trustindex.io. okay, so this company or this developer, okay, actually developed this plugin, and it is very nice plugin. You can see connect Google, so our ID or the URL more than enough. Okay, if we put, we will get, you can see, so this is right our URL. So it is loading. So what, after the loading, yeah, you can see it has been loaded, and we are getting all these, right, layout, different layouts. Okay, like badge, button, floating. Okay, so what you want exact same, so we are taking all. Okay, and then it is still loading. Okay, slider. Okay, so you can see it is working nicely. Total 13 reviews are there. So setup widget. In this setup widget settings, we need to show all. Okay, we need to select show all, and then English, language is English, and time format or date format. Okay, and then you check hide reviews, then show navigation arrows, photos, enable mouse over animation, show pattern logs. Okay, so all this, then insert code. So it will give you one short code. Again, you need to use short code in Elementor, so you copy to the clipboard. Okay, so copy to clipboard, your short code will be copied, and then you go to Elementor page, then take one short code element or short code section, you search SHORT short, you will get it. Okay, so then you just put that ID, okay, given by trust index. Okay, now you can see it is coming nicely, very nice actually, right? So how many you want? 4. Okay, 4 reviews, at a time. Okay, then it will scroll. Now we have furniture and decor section, okay, where we will showcase upholstery, sofa, outdoor fabrics, office glass partition, etc. right? So here what we will do, we will take one more new section, okay, then we will just duplicate our title testimonial, okay, and we will just change the text, okay, because it is our decor, furniture and decor, right? So this one will first if any kind of text you want to copy, okay, like from your own website or like from your own other website, or else like you can type it, it is better, right? You write your own, okay. I always suggest ki open a notepad or open a Google Doc or Word file, or you can directly type here also, okay. Then you take 4 sections, and in each section we will use that image box, okay. So we need to insert images. So this is one image, sofa, okay, then furniture upholstery, okay, we are giving the name as furniture upholstery, okay. You can increase the image size from width section, okay, then border radius, how much you want, okay. Based on that you try it. This tool is very nice. We are increasing the size, actually image size, so that it looks good and visible properly, right? Then hover animation, opacity, okay, how much you want you can do. Then transition duration also, okay. Then in style we have many more options, as you know, okay. Then image size will be custom, okay. You can use your custom image size 150 into 150, basically a square one, okay. You can see it is very small, so we are taking 1500 into 1500. Let's see, apply, okay. Still it is too small, okay. So it will not work from here, so from width only it will work, right? So 60, 62 the image size, furniture and decor. So what we will do, we will take image box here, then we will upload it, okay, this image, and then we will change furniture upholstery, and we will put our description. We will not put anything, only name are enough, okay. Furniture upholstery, and width will be 100%, so it will be bigger, and spacing will be 8, okay. And then we have our content. So content color we need to make it black, okay. Then obviously family will be news reader, right? And then update it, then you refresh the page, you can see the change. Once it is updated, you will get definitely the result, okay. In the same way, we have our office sofas, outdoor furniture, fabrics, glass partition, curtain and blinds, plaster of Paris, right? Office floor mat and office glass door. Same way you do, okay, the remaining things. Now the FAQ section, okay. In this we will take one single section, okay, and then text. So in this we will put it as FAQ, and we will copy and paste style. We will copy and paste style, so it will be in the center and black, okay. Yes, you can see automatically. Now it is the section where we will give the answers to certain questions, and these questions are selected question. Actually most of the time your customer ask you, and you know what they ask, and top 5 or top 6 questions you can feature, you can answer here, okay. and it will really gain the customer trust. Okay, and if any more questions are there, you have 10-20 questions, then you can create a separate page on FAQ and link it over here key visit FAQ, right? With a button, simply they will click and they will redirect to that particular FAQ page. Okay, so now we are using a ready-made template. So Elementor has many beautiful ready-made template you can use. Like same, we are going to use one for FAQ. Okay, so you can see we got one nice template. Okay, that is section, no need to create, so already created, and it still we are getting in free version of Elementor, right? So 3 into 2, basically 6 FAQs are there. Now we'll customize one and we'll copy paste or duplicate, okay, the remaining, but the content will change. So you can see we have taken black, all colors in black, like the title and heading. Okay, so what you can do, you can do light black for the content, main body content, and title in pure black. So Times New, okay, Roman, that font we are using in the title. Okay, and in this typography we are using newsletter, actually, yeah, or news reader, that kind of that font. And you can see now it has been changed. Copy and we'll paste the style everywhere. Okay, paste style, then paste style, right click and paste style. Okay, right click, paste style, right click, paste style. So same way we are getting. Okay, so our FAQ styling part is done, the design part. Okay, so for the content part in FAQ, that is frequently asked question section, what you can do, you can put like based on your business requirement or what kind of website, if you want to sell or customer can purchase or customer can sell. Okay, those kind of question and answer you can put it over here, how much time you operate, right? Business, like business hours. Okay, and where you locate. Okay, this kind of if you give delivery, home delivery, free delivery, or see if shipping charges are there, if you have tie up with certain kind of couriers partner, okay, delivery partners, you can mention their names like that. Okay, so this kind of, now we have our one more image banner, that is carousels, to let them know ki we also purchase refurbished or second hand furniture, so they can call us and they can tell them ki how many furnitures they have ready to sell. Okay, so we'll visit and we'll check and like we'll purchase. Okay, right? So this is the from their home directly they can sell their furniture. Okay, so basically this is image carousel section, I already shown you. Okay, just you search image carousels and you drag and drop and then you insert the images, it will show. Okay, it will be visible, right? And you can use some kind of free tools like Canva or Trello. I'll put the link in the descriptions below. Okay, you can use the tools. Okay, no need to install the app from the website itself, you can use their free tool and you can easily design this kind of custom images. Okay, with your mobile number, locations, and business name, logo, etc. So now we are into the next section, that is why we are different section, like why choose us. Okay, basically the customer reviews part are client testimonials, and why we are different means some unique USPs you have to tell them why you are different from others, right? So these are the like free design service and quotation. Okay, so this is first section we are going to mention. Then content, a little bit description, so 1, 2 or 3 lines, maximum 3 lines, don't okay write huge text. Okay, so this text part should be very selective, right? And image you use in the top image. Okay, and then title and then description, and text color will be in black only always, and your font family, as I told, ki news reader, that font we are using in the description part, okay, throughout the website, okay, and same size, same color, okay. You can see the screen and you can do it accordingly, right? So this is the first section, and as I told you, if one section is ready, at least you can duplicate it, you can copy and paste it, and remaining sections will be ready automatically, okay. So this is the weight, font weight, 400 to 500 you can keep, this is the standard. Now just duplicate it, you will get one more section, and then you drag and drop in the next one, okay. uh, just you change the image and text content, okay, it will be ready. So our next why choosers is fully assembled and custom made products. It means you will do the assembling, you will definitely guide the customers in assembling part, okay. So they may face some challenge, okay. So this is the description, we are just copy and paste, just this content actually we rate, means we wrote this content is not copy pasted content, we wrote it is unique content. So I suggest you also write it, or you can hire some content writer, because Google give values, okay, to unique content always. And if even if you copy a single line from anywhere, okay, Google will catch, okay, and it will be a plagiarized content, right? So so this is our why choose us section is also almost ready, you can see, okay. Only the last part, free design service, and no, not this one actually, the last part, okay. So our first is free design, second is fully assembling, right, and our third is value engineered design, affordable luxury, okay. Then we will put our content or description, okay. Yes, so you can see this is also ready, okay, this part is also ready. Yes, so you can see how fast we have made this website, okay, from start to bottom, okay. It is exactly the same website what we made earlier, okay. You can see, okay. So all these things now it is ready, okay. So in the same way you can also make it, okay. If you are facing any kind of challenge in this website, you can ask in the comment section, we will try to help you out, okay, or else you can contact us, okay. The numbers will put it, okay, in the descriptions. You can visit our website, right, and definitely we will help you out. Thank you so much.